In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove tax included on Shopify. This is a simple process that will take no more than a few minutes of your time. Whether you're running a large e-commerce store or just starting out, understanding how to manage your tax settings in Shopify is crucial. Let's dive in and simplify this task. First, you'll need to log into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, direct yourself to My Store on the home page. This is your control center where you manage everything related to your online shop. It's always a good habit to familiarize yourself with the layout, as it can be pretty straightforward once you know where each option is. Now let's head over to Settings. You'll find this option typically at the lower end of your navigation panel. Clicking on Settings opens up a whole range of options you can configure for your store, ranging from your general store information to shipping and of course tax settings. When you're in the Settings section, look for an option labeled Taxes and Duties. This is where Shopify centralizes all tax-related configurations. It's essential for ensuring your store complies with tax laws depending on where you're selling. Click on Taxes and Duties to proceed. Once you're on this page, you'll notice various settings related to how taxes are applied to your products. The main focus today is to ensure that taxes are not included in your product prices unless you want them to be. Find the option that reads Include sales tax in product price and shipping rate. You'll want to uncheck this box. Unchecking this option means that taxes won't be automatically added to the listed product prices, showing customers the price before tax, which can simplify their purchase decisions and avoid any confusion. After you've made this change, the final step is to save your settings. You can do this by clicking the Save button, which you'll see right at the bottom or top of the page, depending on the layout. It's a crucial step. Without it, your changes won't be implemented, and you might have to repeat the process. And that's it. You've successfully changed your tax settings on Shopify to exclude taxes from your displayed product prices. Remember, staying on top of these configurations will ensure your store runs smoothly and transparently, providing a better experience for your customers. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Shopify.